Forget dropshipping, forget affiliate marketing. There is a $500 billion market in the US that almost no one is talking about, and it's 100% digital. It's called Digital Maintenance Arbitrage. I'm going to show you how to secure high-ticket maintenance contracts from US property managers and fulfill them using local vendors without ever stepping a foot on site.
While most online businesses struggle to hit 20% ROI during their scaling phase, our students are seeing 30% to 50%. Why?
Because maintenance isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for property owners. In my course, I give you the exact step-by-step process, how to find the right property management companies, how to pitch, and how to manage the workflow entirely from your computer. No office visits, no physical labor. The best part? Scalability. Once you master one city, you can replicate the system in dozens of others. You are building a virtual empire across the US market from anywhere in the world. The US market is massive, and the demand is constant. Stop fighting for crumbs in saturated niches. Click the link from the video description below to join the course and start your digital maintenance arbitrage journey today.